Hi guys, welcome to Rhel8 YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to set user login email alerts in Rhel8. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, firstly we have to understand few points, which is what is email alert and the use cases and the case scenario where we actually need it. So for the demonstration purpose, I have lab scenario for you. Please look at that. Guys, this is my user email alert lab setup environment. So the first question come in our mind is, what is email alert? So basically email alert means when someone logs into your server via SH or putty session, and it can be pretty useful to track who is actually using your server. Okay, so here I have two tested virtual machine. First machine is acting as a Linux server with the host name server1.example.com with the IP address is 192.168.0.1 and the current running OS is Rhel 8.0. Okay, so this machine acting as the email alert server, and the second machine is known as trusted client machine. The station name is station1.example.com having the IP address 192.168.0.2 and the current running Linux OS is Rhel 8.0. So what I want, whenever someone try to log in with super user or any normal user from station 1 this machine to that machine, means Linux server, either using SSH or putty session, I got some email alert on my server with the remote machine information with the proper timestamp also. Okay, so let's begin the lab session. I just clean the screen, and guys, this is my Linux terminal and currently I am on the server side. So firstly I will show you the host name, the IP address and the Red Hat release version of this machine. So I have the command hostname ctl. Look at that, the machine name is server1.example.com and currently I am using Rhel 8.0. and if I talking about the IP address of this machine, so I can go with the hostname -i option. The IP address is 192.168.0.1. So we have to follow few steps to create this types of environment, email alert environment. So the first step is to install mailx and sendmail package, which are required to configure these alert. Okay, so I go with the yum command, yum install mailx and sendmail package. Go with -y, press enter. So remember, local yum repository should be properly configured. If you don't know how to configure local yum repository or yum server, or you face any challenges while configuring local yum repository, you can visit my earlier video how to configure yum server from my Linux playlist, which is available in my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's going to be installed. Okay, preparing, installing. Verifying, complete. Great. Now the package is successfully installed. In the next step, we have to start and enable the sendmail services so that the services get started its on condition if you reboot the machine. So for this I go with systemctl enable sendmail -- now. Okay, now in the next step we have to go users home directory and find out the file which is known as .bashrc. because it's a hidden file, so I use ls-a command, ls-a command to show the all files and directories including hidden files. So first of all, let me check where I am. So I am in my root directory in my /root, and I run ls-a command. See, here it is my .bashrc file. Look at that. So I just opened with my vim editor, or you can go with anyone. Now I open this file vim.bashrc, and at the bottom just add few lines. So first of all I put some entries and then I'm going to explain it. Okay, so I go to the bottom and here I type echo, say alert, and what alert? Say root shall access, could be anything, it's an alert message. Root shall access from server1 dot or server1.example.com. okay, close it, and for time I use date command. For user information I use who command. Okay, and then I pass pipe symbol. Go to with mail command -s for the subject. What subject I needed? I say alert, alert SSH root login and the final email ID server1.example.com. Great. So this line is used to configure the alert. So here what I did, this line generate alerts with the alert message, that is root shall access with the host name or IP address of your mail server. Then after I mention the timestamp with the date command, and for the remote person identification I use who command, and in the last part I use mail command with the subject where I have just mentioned the subject, it is known as email alert, that is SSH root login. Then I mention the email address on which I want get these alert, that is server1.example.com. Got it? So here I'm using my local email server ID. If you have an internet connectivity, you can use Gmail or any other email service provider. After that, save this file and run the source command. I save and quit from there and run the source command. So source source command to change the update settings. Okay, great. If I have did any wrong, it will show me the message. Now we have done the all part from the server side. Now it's time to check from the client side. So I go to my client machine. This is my second trusted virtual machine, and this is station 1. So I log in with root user first. Okay, I log in, and from here I try to SSH root account of server 1 machine. So I say SSH root @server1.example.com. okay, I press enter, go with the fingerprint authentication, say yes, and give the password. So I give the password. Okay, so if I go with log name, currently I log in with root, and the machine name is hostname server1.example.com. So after I sign the password, I successfully log in. Now again I go back to my server machine and check whether I received an alert or not. So I go back my server machine one more time. Here I am, and for check email alert I use mail command to check new mails. So I run the command mail. See, I got some new mail. If I open the mail, I go with 2 for open this my second mail. See, we have received the alert from 192.168.0.2. look at that. This is the IP address of my client machine with the available user and date time information at what date time I log in. Okay, so this is how we can access it, but remember this is only for the root account of the server. Suppose if you wanna set for any other non-root user, then install the same package and go to the home directory of that particular user for which you want to generate the alerts and modify the .bashrc file for the same purpose. Okay, if you want to delete this mail, you can press D. Again you can Q from quit from there. Again you can type M for mail, U for this capital U indicate that is unread. If you want to delete, you can go with D, and similarly Q for save and quit from there. If I again try mail command, no mail for root. Okay, so in this way we can access user login email alert in Rhel8. And finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.